How can we help our natural environment? Will one trap in my backyard make any difference in bringing back more of our native animals, lizards, birds and trees? With the collective powers of trap.nz, we can make a big impact. Firstly, your data, even if it's from a small area the size of your backyard, is automatically combined with thousands of projects around New Zealand to create millions of data records. With trap.nz, these records can be combined to show hotspot maps of trapping activity with numbers and types of pests killed. Which means that communities can easily see which traps are most effective and manage their pest control program, whether it's the size of a backyard or thousands of hectares. It's easy to set up or join an existing project. Register your name, enter a little background information about your project, mark out the area using the outline map, and you're done. Or, if you're interested in joining an existing project, simply click on Find Projects and request membership of a project in your area. Enter traps, bait or monitoring stations directly. Once you have entered them the first time, simply add catches to your traps each time you check them. We also have a mobile app for both Android and Apple phones, allowing you to capture data while in the field and offline. As well as simple maps and charts showing the numbers of kills of different pest species, you can produce simple summary tables of kills in easily exportable reports. Heat maps show where the hotspots of activity are. And for project managers, you can check when traps were last checked and make sure you are getting the required coverage. We have also added functionality looking at standardized trapping rates, which takes into account new traps in the network and which traps are actively trapping and which traps have been sprung. Trap.nz can also be used to monitor bird populations in your project area, or monitor cards, tracking tunnels and wax blocks. Trap.nz is developed and maintained by Ground Truth, a New Zealand company using science, technology and community engagement to enhance the management of ecosystems and productive landscapes. Most of the funding and governance for Trap.nz comes from a collaborative of regional councils, Crown agencies and landscape-scale restoration projects. We have thousands of users and projects, and we are proud of the community we have built and the contribution we are making to help Kiwis with their conservation projects throughout New Zealand. We would love for you to join us making Aotearoa a safer place for our unique and precious flora and fauna. Let's get started.